Hi, Jeff Whyte. Just talking about our portables in this particular time in regards to bacteria. I'm just going to show, this is a portable obviously upside down, but I'll show how they exhaust, and a lot of you would already know. So as you can see from that demonstration, there's a lot of airflow coming through under vacuum. So that's all very fine when your filter is clean, but here lies the problem. When we have detergent, waste, feces, all sorts of horrible things that you're cleaning, and we all know about that, when the ball valve shuts off, foam makes its way through, comes out here. What happens inside our exhaust filter is a foam. The foam is there to sound deaden, but the problem is it harbours bacteria like a sponge, which it is. So I really encourage a lot of people to, at least in this current climate, change this twice a year, part of your servicing, because when you are going to your home, you are exhausting all that bacteria out into a home, and that's not what we want. And I also mentioned in a previous YouTube about waste tanks and how important it is to keep our waste tanks clean and our blower filters clean as well. It wouldn't hurt either before we put a brand new filter in. That's just a run-of-the-mill sanitising spray, a little bit inside there when the boys fit it in for you. Half an hour labour, but I strongly encourage you to do that, because when we're going to a home, we don't want more bacteria and germs going into the atmosphere. It's something I should have done a long time ago. Very simple, no different to your filter in your vacuum, but we should be replacing it at least once a year, twice a year, but keep our places healthy.